Another update. Let's take a look at Cake over here. And Cake is just chopping around near the point of control when we measure the volume from the start of the range to the end of the range. And it does look like we're going to go towards $11, which would be the 23.6% fib measured from our last all-time high down to the low. It would also be the 2.618 when we measure the move from this high back in March, about 7-8 months ago, down to this low here on August 24th. Yeah, sorry, this was 10 months ago. So from this high down to this low, the 2.618 would be sitting right at 11. So we have a lot of confluence here at that $11 region. When we also take a trend-based fib from the start of our trend to the top of the trend and down to the counter trend, we do see that the 2.618 is sitting right there at $12. And then once you pass $11, $12, you'll start going into the higher targets, which would be about $16 to $18 with the possibility of a move towards 22. And yeah, I think we're very bullish. I think Cake is very bullish considering it did come down towards the 200-day moving average. And usually when a asset is still within an accumulation range and it comes down to backtest the 200-day, it's a very bullish sign, especially when you get on through it. So we broke above it over here, and now all we did was came back to retap it. On the small time frame, this is what it would look like. So if you want to DCA into this coin, then this chart that I'm about to pull up may be useful to you right here. Okay, so this is the small time frame right here. I do expect a breakout to occur considering we are oversold on the 4-hour time frame. Notice how oversold we are over here. We're actually lower than we were over here. So this is hidden bullish divergence. We have a higher low, but a slightly lower low with the 4-hour RSI dipping into oversold territory below 30. Okay, so I would be expecting a breakout here. If we do break below this diagonal trendline support, then it's likely will come back down to double bottom off this 200-day moving average, lose the 200-day, then we'll just come down to 190 and then wick up from there. But so far, this is looking good for a move to the upside. And what we also have on the daily MACD, something I also wanted to point out to you guys, is we have this daily MACD So you see how it's crossing down like that on the daily MACD? What I would be expecting here is just a push down like this, and then for it to just curl back up like that. As long as these supports hold from here down to $1.90. Okay, but so far the next point of interest, it would be sitting at 787, which would be the 1.618 above this range, measured from our March high down to our August low. But the major target would be sitting at 11 and then 16 to 22 bucks. Get above 22, then it was likely we would come towards the 1.236 extension at 54 bucks. And the reason we're using the 1.236% extension is because you want to look at the next immediate target after the last all-time high. So what I like to use is the 1.236. You can also use the 1.382 as well. And let's not forget the 1.618. Okay, so this over here would be your moon bag. And then these would be the major targets for the retracements. From current price, you're looking at 400% and then 6 to 7x. To the all-time high, we're looking at 22x up to 28x. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to stay updated with this analysis, then click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.